Hello YouTube subscribers and YouTube viewers, welcome to Manyaman Recipes by Jen. Today I will show you how to cook chicken tetrazzini. For this you will need half a pound chicken breast, 1 cup heavy cream, half cup milk, 450 ml Campbell's 30% less sodium chicken broth, approximately 340 grams white mushrooms, half a cup chopped parsley, 1 cup chopped carrots, half cup butter, 1 small chopped onion, 2 teaspoons crushed garlic, 500 grams spaghetti, 1 3/4 cups shredded mozzarella, 3 teaspoons cornstarch dissolved in approximately 2 tablespoons of water. First, let's season the chicken with ground multicolored peppercorns or just ground black pepper, and then with salt. Drizzle with olive oil, and then bake for 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While waiting for the chicken to cook, boil the pasta until al dente. Once cooked, immediately drain pasta in a colander. When cooked, pasta under cold water to stop the cooking. Cut the cooked chicken breast in small cubes. Melt the butter in a large pot. Sauté the onions and garlic in the melted butter. Add the sliced mushrooms once the onions are translucent. Add the chopped carrots. Then stir. Add chicken. Then stir. Add chopped parsley. And then stir again. Add the chicken stock, and then the heavy cream, and then the milk. Add the salt, and then stir. Add the cornstarch that was dissolved in water, and then stir again. Add the cooked pasta once the sauce has become slightly thick. Mix well, making sure that the pasta is coated evenly with the sauce. Transfer to a casserole dish. And then sprinkle with shredded mozzarella. Bake in preheated oven for 15 minutes. Enjoy it with garlic bread or any sides that you like. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.